umushomo ugumazire biro bina barukwanura miringo iba kubasa kuterezamu enkozesa ya karimagezi ubwo murundo ogu kubeire guri muri Uganda. Minister wa karimagezi Honorable Minister Dr. Chris Baryomunsi yashobora ngo abantu beine kozesa za karimagezi okurebekangu bayikoraho emirimo irabayambe mbwire bomesho kutari kuzikozesa ibintu ebiteine mugasho.
How do we use technology to create employment opportunities for our young people here in Africa? Because speaking as a political leader, you see the pressure we get from the young people in Africa. You have seen what happened in Kenya. Technology is facilitating them to revolt against the government.
Muringo nuko kumwe uri muhezi wa speaker w'ishengero ry'ihanga Right Honorable Thomas Tayebwa yashabangu habeho amateka agarukukumira abantu abarukute bintu bitashemere amitimbagano hamwe nabo abarukujuma abantu.
Cyber security and standards is very critical, especially in the new age of AI. As politicians, we are all scared wherever we are, because in the coming elections, someone might use AI to generate a video of me committing a crime somewhere, urinating on the roadside, and it comes with the eve of elections. It spreads by 7 a.m. It has reached all my voters, and me, I haven't even seen it because I was planning on how I can organize my people. I know about it and by the time I look for experts to come and clear it out, I've already lost an election.
Ogu yashobora ngo abantu abengi tubarukufayo okwetegereza habintu barukuta ahamitimbagano kandi obwe bimwe babitashemire no kurebwa abana bato.
Every day I ask myself, what is the contribution of unregulated pornography running on our internet in the country? Being accessed by our young people. What is the contribution of pornography to our economy? Why can't we regulate it?
Tunko kwihanangiriza abantu abarukora za karimagezi hamwe nabo abarukora umushonga za karimagezi okutaho buriyo urebekangu babasa kuhereza abantu ubuhereza uburi ahamutindo.
Quality of service is something we should look at. The issue of dropped calls. There is this app, is it Ayora? This international app. Yeah. When I'm in Europe, I buy for Europe, I do very well.
Bikiriyaho Right Honorable Thomas Tayebwa yashaba kwabaho okucendeza amhendo uyaza karimagezi kurebekangwa abantu bono mu ihanga babasa kuzikozesa.
Roaming charges. You're seeing we are doing visa-free travel across Africa. We are having the AFCDA, which will benefit the Interpol. Why don't we remove roaming charges at least at continental level?
Orutera noru rwa International Telecommunications Union Global Symposium for Regulators rweria Speak Hotel Minyonyo murembo rwa Kampala kandi umushomo gwahendera erizoba bakuraga gasha kwa Ronald Ngabirano wa Sky TV agenshonga muri Kampala.